let's show it here on screen. This is your punishment. You have to dance to Antropico. So, it seems like you already have an idea, but we're going to show you the dance on screen so you can see this is what you have to do. Here we go. Let's flash the video for your dance. So you want to those samples first so you can see. Okay? Alright. Let's see. What's your name? Ano name mo? This is Nami.
Hello, Nami. Okay.
Okay. So, Nami, you're ready to fight it. You ready? Okay. Oh, we have two fans here, Nami and
Sana all, ako na lang kakanta.
Denise. Nami and Denise, let's give Nami and Denise a round of applause.
Para sineryoso ka
Alright.